Okay, we are here at 701 Eastgate. We've got a National here in 1986. Don't think that bell was loud enough though. Sure, the whole damn building heard it. Let's go to 3. There it is, National. Whoa, there's another one. Grab that. 701 Eastgate. Pretty nice cab. I mean, nice building all around. It's from 1986, although I wouldn't have necessarily guessed the building was that old based on its overall condition. There's your thumbnail money shot, maybe. Go to 3. Back to 1. I noticed this in the other car too. Haven't seen that before. Thought it was interesting. And I think that about does it. That's it.